I think I like you better. Pepe, how long have you been here in Bigo? Hi, Stagfirula. Thank you. Hmm. Hi, Stagfirula. What's that? Hi, Cintiq. I don't understand. What is Cintiq? Hi, Rico. Thank you, Pepe. Oh my gosh. Hello, Rico. Where you from? You're beautiful. Oh, thank you. Estagfirullah. Do you know how to speak English? Where you from, Rico? Pepe, thank you so much. Hmm. Oh, you're from Indonesia. Oh, that's why. But do you know how to speak English? So I can understand you. I'm going to the market and come back 30 minutes. Oh, okay. Take care, Pepe. Thank you so much. I'm gonna wait for you to come back, okay? I'm gonna wait you. Take care. Thank you so much. Ay, yun. OA, OA. Oh my gosh, guys. Hmm. Macho. I think I really need to go to gym. I might go to gym next month. But I'm still waiting for my salary so I can like pay the membership for a gym. Like hmm. I'm so I'm so excited now. Bye bye y'all. Hello. What are you doing right now, Marvin? Hi Rico. Rico, where are you from? Hi Nels. I think I like you better. Taga saan ka, Nels? Nels lang? Hi Rusty. Hi Spider, na lizard na naman ang avatar. Ano ba talaga favorite? May spider o lizard? Oh my gosh. Hello. Parang alam ko friend kita eh. Friend ba tayo? Ay, hindi. Hindi ka pala nagpa-follow. Naintindihan mo ba ako? Pilipino ka ba? Hi, Asher. Are you a Filipino, Spider? Hi, Mac. I think I like you better. Hmm. What? What are you thinking? Hi, Nightmare. Hi, the number. Hi, Trangia. Is that Trangia? Trangia. Kilikili reveal. Pag nagkilikili reveal ako, babagsakan mo ako. Nightmare. Kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss me. Oy, Nightmare, kiss me. Kiss me nga. Bibiga. Are you going to drop kiss me? Mahal naman. Ay, talaga mahal. OMG. Ano na lang, eto, yung, ayun talaga, kiss me gusto ko eh. Eto na lang, oy, eto. Ayan, 499. Gold ba yan? Yeah, gold to.